Have you ever felt like your life is influenced by forces beyond your control? Moments when, despite your best intentions and actions, outcomes appear to unfold according to a hidden plan, as if someone or something is orchestrating events behind the scenes. Welcome to the Conscious You, where we peel back the layers of the everyday to reveal the timeless truths guiding your soul's journey. Today, we venture into the mystical and often misunderstood realms of karma and destiny, the unseen forces shaping your life. What are they? How do they work together, or sometimes against each other? And how can understanding them transform the way you live? Let's explore. Karma and destiny are two of the most powerful concepts in spiritual philosophy, often spoken about together, yet rarely fully understood. Karma comes from the Sanskrit word meaning action, but it's more than just a deed. It's the law of cause and effect. Every thought, word, and action creates a ripple, sending energy out into the universe that eventually returns to us. Good actions bring good results. Harmful actions? They bring challenges, lessons, and opportunities for growth. Destiny, on the other hand, is the storyline we are born into. It encompasses the circumstances of our birth, the people we meet, the challenges we face, and the opportunities that come our way. It's the pre-written outline of our soul's experience. But here's where it gets interesting. While destiny may be the stage, karma determines how the play unfolds. Destiny brings you the script. Karma gives you the pen. A question that has troubled spiritual seekers for centuries is this: if my destiny is already written, do I really have free will? Or consider this one: if karma determines my future, does anything I do now actually matter? These are the paradoxes of life, and it's here, in this space of not knowing, that transformation begins. The truth is not black or white. It's a dance, a partnership between the path you were meant to walk and the choices you make along the way. Imagine this: you're given a map. The destination is clear, but how you get there? That's entirely up to you. You can take the long road, the scenic route, or even get lost for a while. Your karma determines your vehicle and the condition of the road. Your destiny is the destination awaiting you. The secret is awareness. The more aware you become, the more clearly you see your choices, and the more empowered you are to shape your path. Let's take karma from the philosophical to the practical. How does it show up in your daily life? Ever notice how when you act with kindness, it seems to return to you, sometimes immediately, sometimes in unexpected ways? That's karma. Or when you avoid responsibility, blame others, or act out of selfishness, and find yourself in a repeating cycle of stress or failure. That's karma too. Karma isn't about punishment. It's not about judgment. It's about reflection. It's the universe mirroring back the energy you send out, giving you the chance to see, to learn, and to grow. It's like a spiritual feedback loop. Whatever you put in, you get out, eventually. The timing may vary, but the principle remains. And here's the empowering truth: every new moment gives you a new opportunity to create a different karma. Now let's explore destiny. If karma is the energy you send out, destiny is the context you were born into. Your family, your culture, your talents, even your challenges. These are not random. They are chosen at the soul level before you were born. Destiny provides the stage upon which your karma plays out. Some events in life are destined, fixed points meant to awaken, challenge, or redirect you. You can't always avoid them, but you can choose how you meet them. That choice determines whether you stay stuck in old patterns or rise to a new level of awareness. Destiny whispers to you through synchronicities, gut feelings, and life's repeating patterns. It's the quiet voice that says, "There's more to this than meets the eye." When you begin to listen, you start aligning with your higher path. Let's look at some real-life stories that illustrate how karma and destiny work together. Story 1. A young man born into poverty grows up watching his parents struggle. Instead of becoming bitter, he develops deep compassion and drive. As he grows older, he starts a foundation to help underprivileged children. His destiny was the environment he was born into. His karma was his response to it, his ability to turn pain into purpose. Story 2. A woman experiences a sudden and painful breakup. She spirals into depression, but over time begins to explore spirituality. That heartbreak becomes the catalyst for her awakening. She begins to write, speak, and help others going through similar pain. The breakup may have been destined, but her karma shaped what she did with that experience. In both stories, the individuals weren't victims of fate. They were empowered by awareness. The message? Life isn't happening to you. It's happening for you. Through karma and destiny, your soul is always guiding you back to your true self. So how can you work with karma and destiny in a conscious way? 1. Practice self-reflection. Ask yourself daily, what energy am I putting into the world? Become aware of your motives, your actions, and their effects. 2. Embrace responsibility. Understand that your current circumstances are, in part, the result of past actions, perhaps not from this life, but another. Owning your karma is the first step to transforming it. 3. Follow inner guidance. Listen to your intuition. Pay attention to signs, dreams, and inner nudges. These are the whispers of your destiny, trying to get your attention. 4. Cultivate compassion. Everyone is on their own karmic journey. By choosing empathy over judgment, you lighten your own karmic load. 5. Choose consciously. In every moment you have a choice. Choose love over fear, wisdom over reaction, presence over distraction. Every conscious choice realigns you with your soul's path. So what's the relationship between karma and destiny? Think of it like this. Destiny is the canvas. Karma is the brush. Your consciousness is the hand that moves the brush. You may not control the canvas size or the type of material, but you absolutely influence the image you create upon it. Your destiny gives you the framework, the people you'll meet, the challenges you'll face, the opportunities you'll be given. Your karma shapes how those events unfold, whether you repeat cycles or rise above them, whether you heal or harm, whether you wake up or stay asleep. The good news? Every moment offers a fresh start. As your awareness grows, your karma shifts. And as your karma shifts, your destiny becomes more fluid, more aligned with your soul's highest purpose. Here's the insight I want to leave you with. You are not just a character in life's story. You are the co-author. Karma isn't here to punish you. Destiny isn't here to trap you. They are both sacred tools designed to awaken you. When you become the conscious you move from reaction to reflection, from confusion to clarity, from wandering to alignment. You begin to see every experience, pleasant or painful, as part of a larger unfolding. And when you trust that process, life opens up. Challenges become stepping stones. Loss becomes initiation. Even chaos begins to make sense. Because you realize you were never lost. You were always being guided by karma, by destiny, and ultimately by your own soul. So the next time life surprises you, pause, reflect. Ask yourself, what energy have I put into the world? What lesson is destiny trying to teach me? And most importantly, what can I choose now, in this moment, to align with my higher path? Because you are not powerless. You are powerful. You are not a victim of fate. You are a creator of your reality. This is the path of awakening. This is the conscious you. Until next time, Stay present, stay aware, and keep walking the path of your truth. And thank you for watching.